Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you the new mini bike I got offline. It's the Coleman Ct200U, and the mini bike, I'm going to do some work on it. I wanted to give you all basically a before and after, and or if y'all want to see the during process basically of me tearing it down, I'd be happy to video it as well. Just let me know in the comments. But this particular bike, it has the Predator motor. They replaced it before I got it, which is pretty awesome. They're good motors, and then it does have the torque converter on it. And the other one I got over there is the Coleman Ct200U EX, and that one, what I did is I tore it down, spray painted the frame with bed liner material, and if you would like, I can post that in the description. And but yeah, we're going to do the same with this one. I'm going to tear it down, replace the throttle handles, probably the switch. That's not the original switch that goes on it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the bed liner material. I'm also going to do that square tubing. Right now they have washers in between the motor to lift it up for the torque converter to set right. And then there's no spacers at all in the front, so I'm going to add the square tubing like this one has right here. As you can see down in there, just put that square tubing to raise it up. But yeah, it's a good little bike. I bought it for friends for when they come out to be able to ride it. And so let me know what y'all think. And if you want to see the during process of it being tore all apart and getting a new coat of bed liner, let me know. But yeah, this is the other one. This one has the torque converter as well. I did the torque converter conversion, and then it has a headlight, which the battery's in here. You do have to recharge it. The original one has like a trickle charger or whatever that runs off the motor, but the brightness of it is awful. So I did replace that with just an LED and that little battery in there. I got the switch right here. But yeah, pretty cool. This one rides way better just because of the suspension on the front, but that one's just for friends to probably tear up, so we'll probably be doing this again. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. And then once again, if you guys do want to see the during process of it being tore down, rebuilt, just let me know, and I'd be happy to film it. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.